One very common practice in the mortgage industry is what's called the secondary market. What this is you do the loan with your loan officer, whether that's at a credit union, a bank, a mortgage broker, and they're going to be contracted with a number of different companies, mortgage lenders around the nation that service these loans. Um, the mortgage broker or your loan officer is going to take a look through the secondary market at what company has the best rate, best offer at that time, and end up doing the loan through them. So what this means for you is you end up getting the best deal that's out there for the time being. But your loan is not going to be serviced by the company who you're doing the loan or who the loan officer works for. The terms themselves, they're always going to be fixed. So you don't have to worry about interest rates changing or your payment changing or things like that. So there's a sense of security there. But what can happen is company A, who is going to service the loan, always holds the right to transfer that loan to another company. And so all this does for you is it changes the company who you're making that payment to. So one thing I always suggest if your loan officer doesn't mention it up front is to ask, who am I going to make my payments to? Where is this loan going to end up? Um, some people are very specific as they don't want it to be with company X, Y, or Z. So that's something you want to find out as you're starting that loan process is let your loan officer know, hey, I don't want it to be with this company to make sure that we're not doing it with that particular company. Hope you found this helpful. It's a very common practice in the mortgage industry. So when you're mentioned it by your loan officer, don't be surprised because all they're doing is they're trying to find the best deal that's out there for the time being. And every company or every broker is going to be contracted with different companies out there. So, anyways, once again, hope you found this helpful. If you did, I'd hope you share it with somebody else. Hope you would like or subscribe. And if you have any comments or anything you'd like me to talk about, any questions, certainly leave a comment, and I'd love to respond to those questions.